All right. Today we're going to talk about custom fields and how this can up-level your approach to sales process using Map My Customers. So to set up custom fields, you'll need to be inside the web app. You'll click the settings gear at the top right here, and you will find a section for custom fields. This is going to lay out custom fields based on companies, people, deals, and activities. So you can create custom fields that are specific to each of the different unique entity types. And the kind of custom fields you can create are plentiful. You can click Add Custom Field here. You'll see the various different types from text fields to monetary options like single and multi-option, dates, times, phone numbers, etc. To create one, you would just click on the type that you're looking for. We'll click next step. We'll type, birthday um, of, I don't know, of company. You can mark whether or not you want this field to be required. And down here is a preview of what this field will actually look like. We'll click next step. You can choose whether this is shared with everyone or just certain people on certain teams. Here we'll just choose everybody. And that would then be created, right? Now, when you create in a company, since this was a company specific, custom field, you'll see down here the custom field that we made. If it was acquired, it will show up before the fold, quote unquote, right? So if you were to add a new company or maybe you added a custom field on a person, that would actually appear before it says show advanced fields, right? Because it would be required. And if you were to try to make something, make a company, make a person that has a required custom field and save it without entering required custom field, it would tell you, hey, like, you need to enter this custom field. So that's how you would utilize it in general. And again, you can create these for many different use cases. A lot of the time, activity custom fields are great for using it as sort of a disposition of sorts, right? So I could create custom fields on an activity that would require me when I add an activity, maybe after a call or a visit, to specify, how the sentiment of the visit was, any next action items or steps coming out of that, if there was a presentation shared, some kind of standardized options around what information was shared with them. All of that can be, kind of created in an activity by adding custom fields to it, right? So that would be one of the main use cases you could utilize the custom fields for. Deals, you can create custom fields for various things, maybe SIC code, NACS code, what have you. And, to your heart's desire, use custom fields to the best of your ability. There's no limitation on how many you can have. Also makes integrations much easier between Salesforce, HubSpot, and Microsoft Dynamics. Thank you.